The Madhya Pradesh High Court has modified a man's conviction from murder to culpable homicide not amounting to murder after finding that he did not intend to kill his wife but did have knowledge that his actions could cause death. The case goes back to a domestic fight between the husband and his wife. According to the FIR filed by their 17-year-old son, the husband got into a heated argument with his wife over money. When she refused to give him any, he began hitting her. First with punches and kicks, then dragged her outside the house. He even threw a brick at the relative who tried to stop him and locked his son in a room. The next morning, the wife was found dead with a severe head injury. The trial court had convicted the husband under Section 302 of the IPC for murder and sentenced him to life imprisonment. But on appeal, the High Court looked closely at the facts, especially the statements of key witnesses, many of whom, including the son and relatives, later turned hostile and did not fully support the prosecution's version in the court. Still, the High Court relied on the statement of a witness who saw the husband holding a brick and pulling his wife by the hair that night. The forensic and post-mortem reports also confirmed the head injury from a blunt object consistent with a brick. The court concluded that while the attack was sudden, done in a moment of rage during a quarrel, it wasn't planned or intended to kill. The husband did act violently and had the knowledge that his act could be fatal, but lacked the intention to murder. So the bench of Justices Vijay Kumar Shukla and Prem Narayan Singh altered the conviction from murder to culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which falls under Section 304 Part 2 of IPC, which applies to acts done with knowledge but without the intention to kill. He will now undergo 7 years of rigorous imprisonment with a fine of 5,000 rupees.